Everyone, I just bought these Tbuymax classic lure spinner baits. I'm excited to try them out. My favorite thing about this so far is you get 10 for the price. So here's a 10 I'm going to show you. But before that, it comes in a nice cool box like this. And here are the lures. These come in these nice reusable plastic cases, and they actually hang on these, they actually hang inside the case. And we're going to take a look at these. I'm going to use these mostly for trout season coming up. I know bass will go after them, panfish, and it has a bunch of different styles and colors. And as a lot of you may know, especially with trout, when they can be finicky, sometimes they will hit one color and not another. So you can always try different ones out. They have decent weight to them. I believe they're about 1/4 of an ounce each, right in that ballpark. You can see the different designs here, but they have sharp treble hooks, and they have different kind of combinations for vibration and spinning. It seems like it's gonna spin pretty good. So there's one right there. You can see this one, different design and pattern, and then this one also has kind of like a buzz propeller on the top here. And this seems like it's going to spin well too. They seem like they're good quality, and again, many different options. And again, you can kind of hang them in the case here. And for the price, getting 10 of these, the price that they are right now, it's a really, really good deal. There's another pattern and design. Again, they have different, all seem like they're spinning pretty good, and they have different kind of vibration setups to trigger some hits. A rooster tail option here, another option there. Your basic silver option here. Here's another rooster tail kind of option here. Bright colors. And again, all seem like they spin good and good materials. Excited to use them. Many different styles. You can kind of see how this is kind of cut out. Pretty cool. I'm excited to use these, and here was just a quick unboxing so you can get the idea. Again, these are the Tbuymax classic lure spinner baits, and there's 10 in the box. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.